In this video, we will take a look at VNX Monitoring and Reporting, a software solution that provides unified performance and capacity trending capabilities for VNX, Clarion, and Solaris storage systems. Here is the agenda. We will start by discussing the business case for this solution and a quick overview, including installation. We will then browse VNX Monitoring and Reporting, which includes summary and details pages, reports, exporting, and system settings. We will finish with the benefits of VNX Monitoring and Reporting, along with additional resources. Customers are looking for simple and centralized ways to monitor their storage environment. Whether they are searching for capacity utilization, SP performance, or top users, obtaining all of this information and organizing it can be difficult. With VNX Monitoring and Reporting, you can now see unified performance and capacity trending, helping to improve the efficiency of your storage environment. VNX Monitoring and Reporting automatically collects block and file storage statistics along with configuration data and stores them into a database that can be viewed from dashboards and reports. This solution can retrieve information from one or several VNX storage systems, as well as Clarion and Solaris systems. VNX Monitoring and Reporting's web portal is a comprehensive dashboard that provides multiple ways to access reports quickly and effectively via the navigation tree, search engine, global views, and drill-down facilities. The administration screen helps the VNX Monitoring and Reporting administrator manage day-to-day tasks from a simple web interface. The administrator is able to manage user roles, monitor the health of the VNX Monitoring and Reporting server, execute tasks, and perform install and upgrade operations. VNX Monitoring and Reporting takes less than 5 minutes to install. It must be installed on a Windows Server 2008 R2 or a Linux dedicated server. NaviSecCLI must be installed on the VNX Monitoring and Reporting host system, as NaviSecCLI commands are used to communicate with the VNX. The VNX Monitoring and Reporting architecture includes the following components: the data collector, which collects data in an agentless way from the storage systems; the data repository, which is a database that stores the data collected from the storage systems. The database module is self-maintaining and provides multiple automations. For example, data aggregation is performed for report acceleration and data retention is managed for storage optimization. The web portal, which is a secure portal that displays dashboards to users. Users have multiple ways to access information quickly and efficiently. Let's begin the demo by logging into VNX Monitoring and Reporting. As VNX Monitoring and Reporting is a web application, you can access the web portal from systems on the network that can communicate with the Monitoring and Reporting server. The first page you will see is the VNX Summary page. This page displays the systems being monitored above and an overview of all of the monitored systems below, which includes capacity and utilization statistics. You can see the report tree on the left as well. Reports are organized into parent and child relationships, and clicking the arrow next to an entry expands or collapses a submenu. You can click on any report name in the tree to display the corresponding report on the right. There are summary reports and detail reports. You can also use the search to quickly access a report without browsing the report tree. The search box is at the top of the UI. The menu bar at the top right of the UI offers a collection of tools. These tools include report display options, exporting, and report tools. As VNX Monitoring and Reporting is a fully interactive web application, we can drill down from a table to the underlying report. If we select a system from the summary, we can navigate to a system dashboard that provides details of the array. These details include capacity, throughput, bandwidth, as well as VNX metrics like fast and fast cache. If we wanted more information about the LUNs on the system, we could click on LUN to take us to the LUN summary page. This page would give us details on each LUN. This is the same for other objects in the system dashboard. Now let's take a look at another report by directly navigating to it. Let's select the File Ops Summary from the report tree. You can see the File Ops report display with the systems that are displayed in the report listed below the graph. When you mouse over the graph, you see the actual value at that particular point in time. You can also zoom into a section of the graph. You can customize the display options of reports. Under the graph, you have the ability to add or remove systems from the report. If we click Display, we can change report details for finer examination. Let's display the last 30 minutes of data. Now that we have customized this report, we can export it to a number of formats. Clicking Exports displays a list of formats. Clicking Tools displays a menu that gives you access to the report wizard and has tools for printing, emailing, and adding reports to your favorites. You can use the report wizard to quickly create a custom report. For example, you can use the report wizard to create a custom report that displays CPU utilization for 3 VNX systems being monitored. Now that you are familiar with the interface, let's take a look at administration. Clicking Settings at the top right brings up a dialog that allows you to enter user data and preferences, including language settings and the auto refresh rate. Clicking Administration brings up a page that allows you to configure users or launch the VNX Management and Reporting Configuration section. You are then taken to the home page, which is where you go for administrative tasks related to your VNX monitoring and reporting software solution. It shows the server system resource utilization, database storage utilization, and status of services that are performing various VNX monitoring and reporting tasks. From here, you can configure licenses, modify systems being monitored, add new systems to be monitored, and configure SMTP. Let's add a VNX 5300 to VNX monitoring and reporting. Click Add New in the navigation tree. Give the system a name, a description, and choose either Unified, Block, or File Data Collection. Enter the SP IPs as well as a username and password. When finished, click the Test Connection button. Now enter the control station IP, username, and password, and then click the Test Connection button. When finished, click Save and Apply to add the system to VNX monitoring and reporting. Note that it can take a few minutes before you can see information from a newly added VNX system in the reporting portal. The software needs to poll the new system at least once to add metric information in the database. A user account with the operator role is required for block, and a local user account with the operator role and SSH rights is required for file. Since we cannot view each and every one of the dashboards in this video, here is a list of the built-in block and file reports that VNX Monitoring and Reporting provides. VNX Monitoring and Reporting improves storage efficiency by helping you manage the performance and capacity of your VNX systems. Installation is a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes. The application is entirely HTML, so no plugins are required. With the ability to build your own custom dashboard displaying only the reports that you want to see, it's never been faster or easier to see the details of your storage environment. VNX Monitoring and Reporting is a simple, centralized tool for viewing capacity, analyzing performance, and forecasting your VNX environment. For more information, please see the EMC VNX Monitoring and Reporting User Guide, located on EMC Online Support.